Hello there everybody, Sam'sTrains here, welcome back to the railway and welcome to my first ever 360 video. Now that means that hopefully you should be able to click and drag the screen on this video and you can look around and sort of take a look around the room as the video goes on. So I will admit it is quite a cheap camera, it didn't cost very much so the quality isn't amazing, but it should at least make for an interesting change just for once, so I hope you enjoy it. So I thought I would do my yearly cab tour where I put you on the layout and actually send you around the track for a little ride, and I thought this 360 idea would be perfect for that, so you get to look at my layout as though you were really on it, which should be quite a bit of fun. Before I start though, I want to say a huge thank you to Callum Wilcox who introduced me to this camera. I was asking him what camera he was using for his 360 videos, and then we worked together after he told me and sort of figured out how to edit with it and how to actually use them for videos. So thank you Callum, this is my first video with it and hopefully it's going to be fun. So let's get you down onto the track then. I'm going to put you down, well I don't know where yet, we'll find out, and hopefully this will work. So let's give it a try and I hope you enjoy it. Let me know in the comments what you think. Alright, welcome to Gordon's Hill. You're at the Toy Town station right now, so take a look around. You're actually seeing exactly what Bullman sees from his Lomac, which I thought you might find interesting. Well, if you take a look behind you, you can see that you're going to be pushed along today by the J36 Maud, which does have TTS sound, so I'm going to turn that on for you so that you can hear some of that. There we go. And we're going to go nice and slow around the layout and let you have a good look around. So here we go. I'm going to set you up to a small speed. Have a whistle and enjoy. Fingers crossed we don't get any derailments. Let's see what happens. Oh, a bit fast. Let's slow you down a touch. Whoa, there we go. Underneath the passenger footbridge there, that is quite a squeeze. I think the camera just about touches the roof of that, which isn't good. Or the actual bridge rather. So be sure to take a look and see which other engines you can spot on the line today. There are quite a few, and let me know down in the comments which ones you see. Some of them are running, as you can tell, but lots of them aren't. So I hope you enjoy seeing those. You're now coming onto the main straight. This is the part where I do most of the filming, where I film the slow speed tests during reviews and things. So you get to see it from a slightly different perspective this time, which should be nice. There you are. Ooh, got a nice freight train going past there, that's quite nice, there you are. And then we're coming up towards Gordon's turntable, as you might just be able to see behind the wagons. Yes, this is where I park lots of the different engines as well, when I do running sessions and things. So, yep, you're coming up past the sidings. And then very shortly you'll enter the second scenic section, which is, you know, it's quite nice for videos and things. It lets you have a different view from the carpet for a change, which is quite nice. So there we are. And then now you're going to head towards the darker section of the layout. Hello. And by darker I mean you're going into the, it's not really a tunnel, but it is pretty dark back there. It's the bookcase / computer desk. And in fact, I've got some lights behind there. Once you've gone past, I'll put the lights on so that you can see a little better. See how that goes. There you go, I hope you're ready. I'm hoping the camera isn't going to smack the top of the bookcase, that would not be good. Yeah, got some lights for you there, that's it. How's it back there? Everything comfortable? Everything alright? I'm hoping you're going to actually make it out of the tunnel. That would be nice. Oh, I can see you. There we go. Yep, so you've made it. And after this next curve, you will have done an entire lap. So there we go. That is the layout, if layout you want to call it. Okay, well, what say we increase the thrill factor very slightly then, and I'll let you have a lap at speed. How about it? All right, let's see how this goes. You're probably going to derail, so I might be calling this video a crash video, but we'll see. No, that's not too fast. That's not too bad. Hopefully that'll be all right. Oh yes, speedy, speedy. Hopefully you'll be able to hold on to your lunch with this. Yeah, if you're nauseous, you might have to get off, if that's possible at all. There we are. And back behind the computer desk. There we are. Right, let's slow you down then. And see if we can't get you to stop at the station. Now, when I'm playing Train Simulator, I can never manage this accurately. I always either miss the station or stop far too early. So this time, let's see if I can do it any better. Probably not, but we'll see. Right. Okay, coming into the station now then. There we are. Anywhere there should be fine. There we go. Right. Well, that's the end of that then, folks. I hope you enjoyed that. Let me know what you think. Would you like me to do more 360 videos so that you can look around, or did you not like it? Whatever the answer might be, that's absolutely fine. Let me know if you've got any other ideas. What else could I do with this camera? Yes, I'd be very interested to hear. For now, though, let me turn off the noise from the J36. One more whistle. How about that? There we go. And that is the end of that. So how this is actually going to go, I'm not sure. We'll have to see, but hopefully that worked. So thank you for watching, take care of yourselves, and I'll see you on the next one. Alright, cheers everybody.